The following short video will demonstrate how Beltone hearing aids automatically adapt to increase the sounds you want to hear while decreasing noises that are distracting. Notice how the sounds of the footsteps, air conditioner, and vacuum cleaner are lowered so you can easily focus on conversation and the TV. Be sure to pay attention to the controls in the lower right corner as they illustrate the adjustments being made by the hearing aids to help you hear comfortably and clearly.
Hi, hon.
Hi, hon.
Did you have a good day?
It was pretty good. Mind if I watch the game?
That's fine.
Hey there.
Hi, Dad.
Oh no. Oh.
I made reservations at 7 for dinner.
Okay, sounds great.
The automatic adjustments made by Beltone hearing instruments make communication with friends and loved ones more enjoyable and let you live life more fully.